We'll guide you through how to set up Stripe for your business transactions. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website and click on the Start Now or Sign Up button, which you'll find prominently displayed on their homepage. You'll need to enter your email address, full name, and create a secure password to get started. Once you've signed up, you'll receive a verification email. Navigate to your email inbox, find the email from Stripe, and click the verification link to confirm your account. After verifying, log back into Stripe, and you'll be prompted to set up your account details. This includes your business name, type, and industry. You need to provide your business address and phone number as well. Stripe requires you to link a bank account for payouts, so have your bank details ready. Go to the Payments and Payouts section and select Add Bank Account. You'll enter your bank routing number and account number. Stripe will then prompt you to complete identity verification. This might include uploading a government-issued ID and verifying personal details to comply with financial regulations. Once your account details are set, go to the Developers section in the dashboard to set up API keys if you plan to integrate Stripe with your website or app. You'll find both test and live API keys there. Use the test keys to ensure everything works smoothly before switching to live mode. Finally, customize your payment page by going to the Checkout section. You can brand it with your logo and match it with your website's theme for a seamless customer experience. That's it. Your Stripe account is set up and ready to start processing payments. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.